Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss most popular Linux commands. So let's start. So the first command we will be discussing is history command. Okay, so just open the terminal and just type history and hit enter. Now see, after typing the history command and executing it, you will get a list of all the commands that I have used previously. You can see these are the list of all commands I have used previously. So that we can do with the help of history command. View previously used command. So this is very beneficial for us if you have suppose executed some commands and you want to recall that. So we can use history command. And now to clear the console we have to type clear. So this is one more command for the beginners. So just type clear and hit enter. Now see, this console has been cleared. Now the next command is pwd. So it basically print the working directory. So what does this mean? So see, whenever we open a terminal, so keep this thing in mind, whenever we open a terminal, it always open in certain folder or directory. Okay, without directory it will not be open. So anywhere you open a terminal, it is in certain folder or directory. Now that we can see that where am I, in which folder this terminal has been opened, we have to type pwd, hit enter. Now see, this is the path of the folder we are in currently. So currently I am in the home folder and this is my username. So this is my home folder. Now we can what we can do, suppose I open this terminal in desktop. I want to open the terminal in desktop folder. So I have to right click and then click here, open in terminal. Now see, if now I do pwd, now see, the folder is desktop folder. So that thing, that in which folder I am, we have to type pwd command. So this was another command. Now the third command is mkdir, which basically means make directory. So if you want to create a folder, then you have to use mkdir. Okay, so let's see how to create a folder. So to create a folder, at first we have to see where I want to create a folder. So let's say I'm in the home folder. So if I want to create our folder here, so there are two options. Either with the help of GUI graphical we can create, right click and then new folder we can do, or with the help of terminal we can create with the help of mkdir. So there are two way in this way also. So at first either you can right click here and here only you can open in terminal. Okay, and then you have to type mkdir and the folder name. So let's say folder name is suppose let's say folder A. I have written mkdir folder A. So it will make a directory inside home folder with the name of folder A. Now hit enter. Now we can go here and we can check where is folder A. Yeah, so this folder has been created. Okay, now suppose I want to create a folder inside desktop. So there are two options. Either we can change our directory, because currently I am in home folder, but I want to create a folder in desktop. So at first I have to go to desktop folder. Now that we can do with the help of cd command. Cd is basically change directory. Now if you are not aware of cd command, I have made a separate video in detail. So the link I have given in the description box. So cd command basically change our directory. Now see, I type cd desktop. Now see, now if I do pwd, then see, previously I was in the home folder /home/noob, but now the location has been changed. Now this is desktop folder. Okay, so now I'm in the desktop folder. Now if I will create a folder, then it will be inside desktop. So let's say I name it QWERTY, anything you can name, mkdir QWERTY. Now hit enter. Now see, this folder must have been created in desktop. So yeah, see, this folder has been created. Okay, so in this way we can create a folder. Make sure you have to remember two things. At first we have to change the directory. With the help of pwd we have to check where am I, and in which directory you want to create a folder. You have to at first go to that directory and then mkdir. Okay, and now suppose I made a folder. Now what I have to do, I have to next command is touch command, which basically create a file. Now see, the same thing. To create a file, at first we have to select a location where I want to create a file. Okay, and then create a file. Now let's say I want to create a file inside suppose the new folder I have made QWERTY, I want to create a file here. Okay, so there are two way. Either we can go means with the help of this GUI we can go to here QWERTY, we can right click and create a, but see, the thing is here there is no option to create a file. Folder is there but file is not there. So with the help of terminal only we can create file. Okay, now how to create that file? So to create a file we have to use touch command. So at first we have to go to the location where I want to create a file. So at first I have to go to QWERTY and then I have to create a file, but currently I am in the desktop. So we have to at first change directory to QWERTY. Now see, now if I do pwd, now see, previously I was in the desktop folder, now I am in the QWERTY folder. Now if I will create a file, then it will be created inside this folder. And to create file we have to use touch command. So touch file name, so let's say file1.txt. now hit enter. Now see, if I go to QWERTY, now see file1.txt, it has been created. Okay, so let me show you simultaneously. Okay, now say suppose I want to create a new file. So touch file2.txt. now see, if I will hit enter, the moment I hit enter it will be created here. See, file2.txt. and how I split this screen, if you want to see, I made a separate video of how to split the screen in Linux. Now make it full screen. So in this way we can create a file. Okay, now let me clear this. Okay, so to create a file you have to remember two things. At first you have to go to that location where I want to create and then create a file. And the last command which we will be using is ls command. Ls basically lists everything which is inside that folder. Now let me close everything and then start again. So see, currently I am in the home folder, that we can confirm with the help of pwd. Now I want to see what all is there inside the home folder. Let me close this. So this is my home folder and I want to see everything that is inside this home folder, all the files, all the folders. So that we can list with the help of ls command. So just type ls, hit enter. Now we can see all the list here. All is there, bin is there, desktop is there, everything is here. See, all is there, bin, desktop. So everything we will be listed with the help of ls command. So these are the most popularly used command. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section and I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you guys.